Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add stickers or photos on your lock screen. So this one's for the personalization lovers. So you can now add stickers, emojis, or even personal photos directly onto your lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here you need to go ahead and first open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and install this module called Lockstar. So this module needs to be installed in order for you to apply stickers or photos onto your lock screen. Once you tap on this, this will take you to the lock screen customization. Now you're going to tap on the Lockstar logo here, and now you can go ahead and choose stickers, or if you want to go ahead and choose photos, you need to go ahead and choose the app widget and go ahead and choose gallery. I'll first show you how to put stickers. So I'll tap on stickers, and here we can go ahead and choose the stickers that you have created on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's say, for example, this one here. So I can go ahead and increase the size. I can add another sticker, and I'll add another sticker as well. Once I'm done, I can go ahead and tap on done. And now the stickers has been added to my lock screen. So 1, 2, 3 stickers. So this makes your lock screen fun and unique. So you can add motivational quotes or your favorite emojis or reminders. And this is easy to update whenever your mood changes. So there you go, guys. That is how to add stickers or photos on your lock screen for your Samsung Galaxy device.